What up, everybody? We got week 8 here. Week 1 of our last unit. That's pretty exciting. And we're talking about acids and bases. So hopefully this past Friday you've taken the solutions test and that you're going into week 8 all scot clear and caught up. I don't know what I just said. It was a sentence. Just deal with it. Hopefully you're watching the week 8 walkthrough right now. First thing on Monday. And then let's talk about what we're doing this week. So, test corrections. I want to give you guys a little bit of a break here. So, instead of doing full test corrections, all I want you to do is fill out this form right here. When you fill it out, I'll be able to give you credit back for your test corrections. So, Tuesday we're starting entry 1 notes. So, this is your longest day of the week. It is full day of notes. I'm giving you a little bit of information here. Wellness Wednesday. Check your dean's page. Take the notes there. It's a Google Doc using the PowerPoint or by watching a screencast. It's basically identifying whether certain characteristics make something an acid or a base. So Thursday we have a virtual experiment. I want you to watch this video and then answer these questions. You can take that multiple times to get 5 out of 5 if you need to. Just giving us an understanding. It connects our concentration stuff back to acids and bases. And then Friday we have a characteristic review quiz. Again, use your notes on it. Okay, so we got a walkthrough that you're watching right now. Complete check-in form as your test corrections. Take notes using this as your PowerPoint or screencast. Little virtual lab, and then Friday is a quiz. And we got 2 weeks left after this. So next Monday, actually, you have the day off. Okay, so it's a 4-day week after that, and since we got Wellness Wednesday, it's actually like a 3-day week. So that's pretty cool. My hope is that you can say, hey, I got a light at the end of the tunnel. Let's just grind out these last couple weeks, stay on top of stuff, and go from there. With the check-in form, don't be surprised if you don't get an email from me, just because it's really hard to send out 100 and some emails in a span of a couple days. So, yeah, anyway, love you guys. Have a great week, and let me know if you have any questions. Again, I got the contact information right here if you need to get a hold of me. All right, love you. Bye.